We're going to look at some other ways to add material to our Google Classroom. But before we do that, something I forgot to mention, on the home page, you can change the theme to your class. So if we look at this, this gives us some little options. I'm an English teacher, so I'm going to scroll down, see if there's something that I like here. Oh, I like that. So I'm going to add that theme to it. And then it'll change the theme, which is adorable. You can also upload a photo. I've done that with classes where I've taken a class photo. We've uploaded up there. You can do some cute little things with that. But let's go back to classwork. And again, we'll look at create. We've already looked at assignments, the quiz assignment. We're going to look at question next. This is a discussion prompt, okay? So I'm going to write a question here because my students have been home for a little while. I want to know what to. And then I'm going to write instructions. Please let me know what you've been doing. Thanks. Okay. You can also add some material here if you'd like. If there's something from Google Drive, a link, a file, maybe a cute little YouTube video, you can definitely do that. You can also create here docs, slides, sheets, drawings, forms, and that's for any post that you put on here. And again, on the right, who's it for, the points, the due date, we'll have it due tomorrow. I like to put due dates in just so aware of timing. Students can reply to each other. I think that's a great one where they can reply back and forth. They can also edit their answer. I usually put those on there because kids might want to go back and change it around. Now you can hit ask and it'll go on there immediately. Or you can schedule it, you can save the draft, you can even discard it. So you have some options there with that little drop-down menu. Okay, so I'm going to create a topic. We'll put discussions and I'm going to ask it. It'll pop up on our stream and it'll also pop up under classwork. So if we go to stream, here's two of the posts we put already. If we go to classwork, I really like classwork because it labels what to look for. And after a while, you'll have a lot of material in there. So if you look on the left-hand side, it says all topics, okay? You can click on discussions. It'll bring you right to discussions. Vocabulary, it'll bring you right there. Superheroes, right there, okay? So it'll bring you to the different topics, and that's why I like that, labeling them like that, okay? Material, you can just post an announcement for something, okay? That's what I usually do. Announcement, school is closed. Take care and wash your hands. Okay, and again, you can add material from Google Drive, a link, a file, YouTube. You can create one of these options as well. Okay, again, sample class. Who do you want to give it to? Create topic. I'll put announcements. And then you can schedule it for later. You can save the draft or post it. The thing to be wary about with scheduling is if you want to post something to multiple classes, you can only schedule it one class at a time. So I could put this post on every single one of my classes and it will show up on every single class. It's going to save a lot of time. You can do that for any of the assignments. You can post it on multiple classes. But if you want to schedule it, you can only do it one class at a time. That's the downside to that. So those are a couple of things you can use as well. Let's go back to our create page, okay? I can also reuse a post. This is something fairly new, which I like, okay? And I could pick something from one of my other classes. This is a post that I put up on March 17th, when I was thinking about my kids and seeing how they were doing. So I can repost that, okay? And I can do sample class. I could put a due date again, okay? So this is something that I can repost, and I love that option to repost it. So you don't have to reinvent all these assignments. You can repost it. Okay, so these are a lot of options that you can use, okay? You can also add a topic if you'd like. Let's see, the school's out. All right. Okay, you can add that. But you can also add the topics while you're creating the assignments. So I hope this helped you with creating some of the assignments for Google Classroom. It takes a little bit of time, but you'll get used to it. I was once really new at this, and now I use it all the time. All right, take care, everybody.